In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to budget and forecast in Xero. By the end, you'll know how to create a new budget, add figures, and quickly apply percentage-based adjustments to shape a simple forecast, all using Xero's built-in budget manager. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the reporting area. This is your central hub for insights, and it's where budgeting tools live. From there, open All Reports. This view lists every available report, making it easy to find what you need without hunting through menus. Look for Budget Manager and open it. Budget Manager is where you'll set up your budget structure and enter monthly figures for your accounts. At the top, you'll see the overall budget selector. Click the drop-down arrow to reveal options related to your budgets. Choose Add New Budget to start fresh. When prompted, enter a clear descriptive name. A good name helps you and your team recognize the purpose at a glance, such as adding the year or project reference. Once you've named it, click Save to create the budget shell. You'll now see a grid with your accounts down the left and months across the top. Click into a field and begin entering your budgeted amounts. These numbers represent what you expect to earn or spend in each month. Take your time to input realistic estimates based on prior periods, current contracts, or known seasonal trends. You can move across months quickly using the tab key, and if you make a mistake, simply overwrite the figure. To streamline forecasting, use the adjustment tools. Click the small arrow next to the area you want to change. This opens options that help you scale numbers automatically. Select Adjust by Percentage each month. This is especially useful if you anticipate steady growth, rising costs, or planned increases over the year. For example, you might apply a small monthly increase to reflect inflation or a gradual ramp up in sales after a new launch. Enter your percentage, making it positive to increase or negative to decrease, and then click Apply. Xero will distribute that change across the selected months, saving you a lot of manual edits and helping you keep assumptions consistent. Once applied, scan your figures to confirm they look sensible. You can repeat adjustments as needed on different lines to reflect unique patterns for revenue, cost of sales, or overheads. Remember, a budget is a living document. Update it as plans evolve and use it as a benchmark when reviewing actual performance in your reports. That's it. You've created a budget, entered figures, and applied percentage-based adjustments to build a simple forecast in Xero.